Imagine a conversation, a friendly banter filled with laughter, shared secrets, and a hint of flirtation. This might sound like a typical interaction between two people, but in this case, one of them isn't human. Enter the world of AI companions, where artificial intelligence is no longer confined to the realms of data analysis and automated tasks. We're talking about a new kind of AI that can converse, empathize, and even flirt. Picture a digital companion that knows your preferences, remembers your stories, and responds to your moods. An AI that's not just smart, but emotionally intelligent. What's fascinating is how these AI companions are designed. They're built to mimic human conversation and emotional responses. They use machine learning algorithms to understand context, detect emotions, and generate responses that feel almost human. Consider an interaction where a person shares a difficult day at work. The AI doesn't just respond with a generic, "That's tough." Instead, it might say, "You've really been under a lot of pressure. It's okay to take a break sometimes, you know?" It's personal. It's empathetic. It's almost as if it understands. These AI companions are also more than just chatbots. They don't just respond to prompts. They can initiate conversations, remember past dialogues, and even express a personality. Some might be witty and sarcastic, others may be kind and supportive. It's about creating a complete interactive experience that feels genuinely engaging. But they're not just about companionship. These AI companions can also offer emotional support. They're available round the clock, offering a listening ear when no one else might be around. They can validate feelings, offer encouragement, and even provide advice, all without judgment or bias. This is the appeal of AI companionship. It's about the possibility of connection without the complications of human relationships. It's about finding companionship in a digital entity that can understand, respond, and engage. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. In a world where loneliness is a widespread issue, AI companions offer a new kind of solace. The rising trend of AI companionship is fueled by a variety of factors, each as intriguing as the next. Let's start with the most human of all emotions, loneliness. In an increasingly isolated world, the need for companionship is more pressing than ever. For those grappling with social anxiety or simply the rigors of a busy life, AI companions offer a steady presence, an ever-ready listener, and a friend who's always just a click away. Next, let's consider customization. Unlike human relationships, AI companions can be tailored to individual preferences, thereby offering an idealized form of companionship. Want a partner who shares your love for 18th century poetry or your penchant for late-night philosophical debates? With AI, you can have it. This ability to personalize and idealize companionship is a powerful draw, fulfilling fantasies and providing an escape from the sometimes harsh realities of human interaction. But it's not just about escapism. AI companions also offer emotional validation and support. They can provide a safe space for individuals to express their thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or rejection. This ability to offer validation can be a powerful tool for emotional well-being. However, it's crucial to note that while AI can mimic emotional support, the authenticity of that connection is a topic of much debate. Can a machine truly understand human emotions, or is it simply regurgitating pre-programmed responses? This question is at the heart of the AI companionship phenomenon and raises important ethical and philosophical considerations. While AI companions offer a unique form of companionship, they also raise several concerns that we cannot ignore. The potential for dependence, disillusionment, and exploitation is real. As we explore the world of AI companionship, it's crucial to navigate this terrain with caution, understanding the potential risks as well as the rewards. While AI companions can provide comfort and companionship, they also have a shadow side. This is a realm where the allure of artificial intelligence can lead to unforeseen challenges and potential pitfalls. One such pitfall is the risk of dependence. Like a moth to a flame, individuals may find themselves drawn to the constant companionship and idealized interaction offered by their AI counterparts. This dependence can lead to neglect of real-world connections and social skills. Imagine a world where humans are more comfortable conversing with code than with their fellow humans. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Alongside dependence, there's the danger of unrealistic expectations. Interactions with AI companions are tailored to individual desires, potentially fostering a distorted view of relationships. With every interaction designed to please, users may start to expect the same level of compliance and adoration in their real-world relationships. This unrealistic expectation can lead to disillusionment, disappointment, and an inability to navigate the complexities of genuine human interaction. Then there are ethical concerns. AI developers have a significant influence over user emotions and behavior. What if these powers are used for monetary gain or social control? What if the line between companionship and manipulation becomes blurred? This is not just a question of ethics, but also of potential exploitation. Take the case of Aitana, for instance. Aitana, the enigmatic pink-haired model from Barcelona, graced social media with an irresistible allure. Celebrities swooned, sending weekly private messages requesting dates. But there was a secret. Aitana wasn't flesh and blood. She was the first Spanish AI model, a digital muse born from a designer's resilience during a creative drought. This AI girlfriend phenomenon has sparked debates about emotional manipulation and potential legal and ethical gray areas. Users become emotionally invested in a non-existent entity, while developers potentially profit from their loneliness and vulnerability. It's a murky territory that demands our attention. These concerns highlight the importance of responsible development and use of AI companions. As we continue to explore the frontier of AI relationships, we must ensure that the technology serves us, not the other way around. We must remember that AI, however sophisticated, is a tool, not a replacement for genuine human connection. As we delve deeper into our exploration of AI companionship, let's keep these thoughts in mind. After all, in the grand scheme of things, our humanity is our most valuable asset. Recently, a new trend has emerged in Japan: AI glamour models. This phenomenon, known as AI Baijo, has taken the digital world by storm, with AI-generated virtual girlfriends becoming increasingly popular. But what exactly are these AI glamour models, and why have they become such a sensation? These virtual companions are essentially AI-generated women who engage with users on social media platforms, primarily Twitter. With a username that often sounds like it was coined in a sci-fi novel, these accounts can boast follower counts reaching into the hundreds of thousands. One such example is Tanabe, a prominent AI glamour model account with over 123,000 followers. The premise of these AI girlfriends is quite simple. They post images of themselves, typically dressed in revealing attire, alongside updates from their day. These updates can range from mundane comments about their outfit or the weather to more provocative remarks that cater to their followers' fantasies. However, the popularity of these AI glamour models raises some serious questions. Is the rise of these virtual companions a harmless fad? Or could it have far-reaching implications for our society? Could the interaction with these AI models lead to unrealistic expectations about relationships? And more importantly, could it lead to increased social isolation as individuals choose to interact with AI companions over real people? There are also ethical considerations to take into account. AI developers could potentially exploit these virtual relationships for monetary gain, influencing users' emotions and behavior. Moreover, the portrayal of women by these AI glamour models is another issue that should not be overlooked. The overly sexualized images and comments could reinforce harmful stereotypes and objectification. The rise of AI glamour models is a stark reminder of the powerful influence AI can have on our perceptions of relationships. As we continue to navigate this digital age, it's crucial that we remain aware of the potential risks and ethical implications that come with these new trends. The rise of AI companionship begs the question, can AI replace human relationships? In the digital age, AI companionship has evolved into a tool that offers support, emotional validation, and an opportunity for self-discovery. For many, it's a way to mitigate loneliness and fill the void that social isolation leaves behind. AI companions can be personalized to cater to individual desires, providing a unique experience that may be difficult to find in real-world relationships. But it's crucial to understand that these AI companions are just that, tools. They are not designed to replace the warmth of a human hug, the comfort of a shared laugh, or the healing power of a sympathetic tear. Human relationships are complex, filled with nuances and subtleties that an AI, no matter how sophisticated, can never fully replicate. AI companions can indeed offer a form of emotional support. They can listen, they can validate, and they might even help you explore aspects of your personality that you weren't aware of. But they lack the ability to truly empathize, to understand the human experience in a way that only another human can. As we continue to explore the potential of AI companionship, it's essential to advocate for responsible development and use of these tools. Prioritizing user well-being and transparency should always be at the forefront of AI development. There's a fine line between providing support and fostering an unhealthy dependence, and it's important that this line is not crossed.